Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is season 2, and they're just in Kitten, and it's like Flash. It speed runs into the other room, and this is season 2 of animations. It's called Cutie Palace. Then season 3 is going to be whenever the kitten grows up. It's so loud here, and that Simba boy over there, right by the door. And then it's another viewer. It's the other viewer. Simba is just another viewer. Kitten is the newest viewer we have. Our pets are the viewers. And alright, so I'm petting her. Yep. I forgot how to make this channel. I'm not gonna record you anymore. And then here's old cat over here. Over there. And then there's Kitty. Right over there. Okay. Yep, I got zoom in. Here's zoom in. Here is zoom out. I'm actually right here. Then wait, look over there. Look at that kitten. Okay. Where is she?
64 miles.
Oh, there's Buddy. There's Buddy.
Now their job is to take and hold all the bridges in these 3 areas.
He's not here no more. I'm touching him. I'm touching him. I'm touching him. I'm touching him right now. And I see him safe. Over there is safe. Something just moved over here, and it's the kitten. Well, the new viewer. Here is Bella, the new viewer. Well, the old viewer.
Kickoff will be 14:35 hours tomorrow afternoon.
She's still in here?
The Irish Guards, under the command of Colonel Bamborough, will take the lead.
Nice.
What do you say to that, Joe? Oh, delighted.
Okay, and look at me on that camera.
I've selected you to lead us, not only because of your extraordinary
I can't see me.
fighting ability, but also because, in the unlikely event that the Germans ever get
Okay, now you can
they
see.
will assume
Now
from
you
your
can
attire
see
that
me.
they've captured a wretched peasant and immediately send you on your way.
Okay, here's Simba. I just want to record him because I want to. Hey Simba. Hey buddy, it's you again. Simba is like a building cat that was behind the building and stuff. What? I dropped you guys.
I like to think of this.
His buddy boy. His buddy. His buddy. Yeah, he's golden. Okay. And
Kitten's in there too.
These are the besieged homes.
yeah, Kitten's in there.
Germans rode after the other bad guy. And 30 shore